The 1999 National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses the requirements for securing non-metallic sheath cable, commonly known as NM cable. Two specific sections, 370.17 CON and 336.18, outline these requirements. It's important to understand the nuances of each section to ensure code-compliant and safe electrical installations. Section 370.17 CON of the 1999 NEC specifically applies to non-metallic sheath cable, NM, in concealed spaces. This means areas that are hidden from view after construction, such as inside walls, above ceilings, or under floors. The requirement stated in this section is that NM cable must be secured by straps, staples, or other approved means at intervals not exceeding 1.8 meters or 6 feet, and within 300 millimeters or 12 inches of every cabinet, box, or fitting. Now let's move on to section 336.18 of the 1999 NEC. This section applies to NM cable that is both exposed and concealed. This means it covers all NM cable installations regardless of whether they are visible or hidden. This section states that NM cable must be securely fastened at intervals not exceeding 1.5 meters or 5 feet and not more than 300 millimeters or 12 inches from every box, cabinet, fitting, or other support. Let's break down the key differences between these two sections, starting with scope. Section 370.17 CON applies specifically to NM cable in concealed spaces. This is of more limited application compared to Section 336.18. Section 336.18 applies to NM cable in both exposed and concealed locations, making it a broader and more encompassing requirement. The fastening interval is another key difference. Section 370.17 CON requires straps or staples at intervals not exceeding 1.8 meters or 6 feet. This allows for slightly longer intervals between supports. Section 336.18 requires secure fastening at intervals not exceeding 1.5 meters or 5 feet. This mandates more frequent support for the cable. As for the distance from the box, Section 370.17 CON requires fastening within 300 millimeters or 12 inches of boxes. Section 336.18 requires fastening not more than 300 millimeters or 12 inches from boxes. In practice, these are the same requirement, but stated differently. As for other approved means, Section 370.17 CON specifically mentions straps and staples as approved securing methods. This provides concrete examples of acceptable fastening methods. Section 336.18 allows for more general secure fastening methods without specifying them. This offers flexibility but requires judgment in determining what constitutes secure fastening. To summarize, both 1999 NEC 370.17 CON and 336.18 require non-metallic sheath cable to be securely fastened at regular intervals and near boxes, cabinets, or fittings. However, 370.17 CON is more specific to concealed spaces and allows a slightly longer fastening interval. Section 336.18 applies to both exposed and concealed spaces and requires more frequent fastening. When working with NM cable, it's essential to consult the most recent edition of the NEC and any local amendments to ensure compliance with the applicable codes and regulations. Adhering to these requirements ensures safe and reliable electrical installations.